Best art of taking things easier in life. Smile. A smile has the power to set almost anything and everything right. Wake up and greet yourself in the mirror with big smile. It brightens up your day. 2. Spend money on yourself. Feel free to spend money on what you like to do for yourself now and then. There might be things which you want to buy or do since your childhood. Grab some time out of your busy schedule and do them. 3. Keep your priorities in life clear. Work is not the only important thing. Family, friends, that is your social life is equally important. Happy social life, happy you, life feels great. 4. Mindset. Talk to yourself in a positive tone. It sets positive mindset. It is very important to take things easier. Everything in your life can be set right with good planning, great discipline in implementing them. 5. Mistakes not equal to failure. You learn. That is the best way to grow and improve. Embracing the mistakes. Mistakes teach you a lot more than a straight success. What happens when you make a mistake? 6. Forgive yourself. None of us is perfect to get everything right. If something goes wrong, that is completely okay. It happens. Step up to get things back on track with a smile. 7. Don't bottle up your feelings. Express your positive emotions, love, happiness, gratitude to the fullest. Negative emotions, give it a thought and express it the best possible way. Understand the root cause behind the negative emotions and act on them. 8. Celebrate every victory. Don't get too caught up on what you still have left to do in order to reach your goals. Enjoy the journey and always celebrate every win. 9. Spend time in the nature. Taking a walk outside on a sunny day and enjoying a really good cup of coffee. Simple things make the biggest difference in your day. Don't let them go without acknowledging them.